Hi guys, welcome to the Advent YouTube channel, and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem, reverse a linked list. It is from Geeks4Geeks. Initially you will be given a linked list with n nodes. The task is to reverse that particular linked list. So the ideology of this solution is we are going to just swap every next to every previous. For example, the previous of 2 is 1. We are going to just interchange the previous of 2 into null and the previous of 2 into 1. So we are going to just change every previous to next. This is what the procedure we are going to solve. Yeah, let's see. First time handling the corner cases. So in this corner cases we'll be handling the null values and the single values, and then we are moving to the more than 2 values. I am going to create a 3 node. I'm naming this move. I'm going to just traverse from the initial string and to the final string. I mean final node. Before it, I'm getting this temporary variable into the move value. Now I'm going to change move.next into previous value, and then now I'm changing the values of the previous value into. So this was the procedure. Now let's run. Okay, I'm missing the return statement. Sorry. Yeah guys, it's successful, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent YouTube channel, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye.